we go, with floaties on tight, goggles on our eyes, everything feels right. Water sparkles bright, like stars in the blue. Ready, says Dad, we all shout, woohoo! Baby kicks his legs along, holding to his duck so strong. Sister splashes water high, laughing as it flies to sky. Brother jumps in with a cheer, splash, splash, we're all here. Family claps along the side, great job kids, you're doing fine. Mom says here's a game we'll try, find the rings for goodbye. A red ring glitters near the floor, brother dives down and grabs it sure. Baby spots a blue one near the shallow stair. Sister holds his hand and helps him there. He lifts it up with a tiny cheer, sparkles shine and twinkle near. Brother finds a green ring, lifts it with a grin. We clap together as he drops it in. We count together, 1, 2, 3, 4. Shiny colors, we're ready for more. Where's the rainbow ring? We look high and low, underneath the noodle by the fountain flow. Dad points gently, try the steps again. Baby giggles brightly, there it is, my friend. Sister says let's all unite, hold on tight and do it right. They glide together, steady and slow, the rainbow ring begins to glow. Rises from the blue, shiny colors, red, green too. We grab it fast, we cheer with pride. Teamwork wins when side by side. We lift it up together, voices bright and strong. We did it as a family, swimming all along. A rainbow shines above us, sparkling in the blue. See you next swim day, friends. Goodbye to you.